Here's my taco meat that I froze, and when it was just partially frozen, I separated it. So all you have to do is pop out one square, which is 8 ounces, because this was 2 pounds total, and put it in a bowl and put it in the microwave if you want, and it just takes like a minute. So I'll just take out one piece here. Actually, I'm gonna make a burrito for my son. I got this screen door that you stick up with, it's just Velcro tape, and it sticks to a wooden door frame. And there's the measurements in centimeters. I think it was 80 centimeters in length, and 72 width, I can't remember. But anyway, here it is. I never had a screen door on these French doors, but now I do, and I can keep these French doors open while I'm barbecuing, and I don't have to worry about the flies coming in. Not sure how much of this I can eat. I think the hamburger is a pound, and here's some flanken ribs. That might be a pound or more. So I'm gonna eat as much as I want to, though. Making some steaks on the propane grill for my boys. After a hard day's work, putting up screen doors, sweeping my living room and my kitchen and my bathroom floor, and mopping, shaking out rugs. Oh my gosh, I can't even remember all the stuff I did today. I'm doing my laundry, washing my sheets, and now I'm gonna have these flanken ribs. And I just discovered my cute little slippers when I was doing stuff, so I washed them, and now I have my nice new slippers to wear. They're almost new, but I forgot about them, and then I refound them. That fire is still going. I think they have it a little bit contained now, though. Today is Saturday, September 14th.